Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will be discussing about the first domain of the DevOps professional certification, which is continuous delivery and process automation. So let's go ahead and understand on what this domain consists of and what are the expectations that we should have throughout the exams. Now, one of the very interesting part of this domain, in fact, this is interesting among all of those AWS certification, is that domain 1 is one of the most lengthy domains in this certification exam. Now, being lengthy, it also covers the maximum number of questions that will be asked in the exam. So as of now, domain 1 is covering of 55% of the overall curriculum of the DevOps professional certification. It's quite huge. So let's quickly jump to the official curriculum. So if you'll see over here, in fact, just let me quickly show you. This is the AWS Certified DevOps Engineer certification, and within this, you have the domain 1, which is continuous delivery and process automation, and the percentage of examination which is covered is 55%. So if you compare all of those domains in terms of lines, this is quite small. In fact, there are just 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. However, this domain covers major services, and in fact, this is the domain which actually covers the DevOps, the continuous integration, continuous delivery, the automation, the deployments, and all of those areas. So this is the domain that one domain that I would really suggest that you should be concentrating on. And throughout the course, this is the most lengthy domain, even in terms of video hours that we will be having. Now, one thing that you should remember is that in this domain, there are 3 major topics that will be covered. One will be CloudFormation, second is the Elastic Beanstalk, and third is the OpsWorks. So these are the 3 key services that you must know within this domain and within this exam as well. And in fact, we will be covering each of these services in detail. Now, along with this video course, what I would really recommend is that at the end of the domain, we will be posting certain white papers which are very important and must read for the certification exam. So typically during the associate level certification, reading white papers might not be as important. But whenever you go with the professional level certification, be it a solutions architect professional or be it a DevOps engineer or a security specialty, during those phases, reading of white papers is extremely important and is one of the keys in understanding various concepts related to the exams. So this is one important part that is also suggested for reading. So this is the high level overview about domain 1 and what are the expectations that you should be having. Now in the upcoming videos, we will begin with the high level overview. So we'll be setting up the base for the DevOps. We'll be understanding the DevOps mindset in the next video. And in the subsequent videos within this section, we will be setting up the base. We will be having an overview about the CI/CD, about the version control. And once we have the base ready, we'll jump into CloudFormation and we'll get into the practical sessions. So this is it about this video. I hope this has been informative for you and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.